I ain't gonna lie, guys. This is right here is a message to Breezy. Breezy done made my job hard, man. He gave me this long behind piece of 8.5-inch trim, and I was like, bro, I don't have no saw that could cut that. I was like, this guy did this to me. He said, you're the backyard builder, you got it. So I thought about my old carpentry school back when I was like 15, 14, and I just made a miter box just exactly for it. And I cut my 45-degree lines. So now I just gotta use my saw and cut it out, guys. Nothing can stop you when you are the backyard builder. Get my whole body, you know, gotta be weird. What I'm doing, guys, giving something for you to see how I hold the tool. This is a heavy tool. Only a manly man can hold the tool the way I am. And if you're not a manly man, then don't even try. So what I'm doing, guys, is show me. Go back. What I'm doing, guys, is I'm giving the board something to staple on to. There's a science behind how I did this, guys, but I'm not gonna get into detail. These videos are just to show you that I am capable. That's not. Oh, that's not. Whoa! Whoa! Where you going? Get everything. Show them everything. I ain't write this song. 45-degree angle cuts with a handmade miter box for the tough angles that count. So in order to quick little scenario for you guys, this angle, this side is good for cutting an angle that's gonna lean to the right. But if we want to use the angle that's leaning to the left, this is for this side right here, as you see that line right there. So what we have to do really quickly is, in order for stability purposes and accurate cut purposes, we have to move this over to this side now. Yeah, I said it. So now, hold on now. There we go. Now, we can use this side. We just want it to be stable. So what we do now is already measured it. It needs to be 27. It needs to be 27 and a half. Where's my tape, man? Now we're gonna measure from the top to top. And now we get, what's that? That is 17 and a half. So now, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna run over here. This is really expert carpentry level. Like, this is expert stuff. Miles, are you saying that you're an expert? 17 and a half, right? I got lazy eyes, so sometimes my eye be messing with it. And it has to be cut this way. So now, guys, we're gonna slide this through like you just witnessed. Gonna make that line right there. 17 and a half. Boom. That looks pretty good to me. That looks pretty good to a young man. Pretty good to a nigga. And then guys, oh! Now go ahead and pause it. To be continued. Get close. Get close up. Guys, that's no wood filler. Tell us. No, get close. Let these viewers see that is no. My fault. I'm about to spit on it out of respect. That's no wood filler. That's no wood filler. That's no wood filler. That's all they gotta see. You.